For today's video, i-review natin tong application ni Givi. Ito si Cross-Platform Stream Givi. So, kaka-download ko lang nito and meron na siyang 500k downloads. Meron na rin siyang 4.6 reviews. So, as you can see dito, mababasa natin na meron naman ding magagandang review sa application na to. So, ayan. So, open na natin. Let's try. So, bago natin siya ma-start, app will return. Ayan. So, nabuksan ko na pala to siya. And, meron siya ditong required permission. So, i-no muna natin yan. And, okay. And, dinala tayo dito. So, meron tayo ditong i-on. Allow notification. And balik tayo sa apps. Thank you for your feedback. Ayan. So, dito, we can earn via watching or following. Ayan. Apps needs the permission to display your video over other apps. So, we can your experience better. So, click lang natin yung grant. So, naglo-loading pa siya. Wait na lang natin. And display over the apps. I-on lang natin and balik tayo sa application. So, may ads siyang lumabas. Wait na lang natin siyang mata. So, ayan. Let's watch some videos dito to earn. You want to exit? No. Yes, exit natin. So, naka-earn tayo doon ng, ayan, 0. Kasi hindi tinapos yung video. And, dito naman, so how it works. So, watch natin yung tutorial nila dito. Paano ba tayo makapag-earn sa application?
Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how our referral system works and everything around it. That includes our giveaways, content creation, milestones, and much more. Let's start with the most basic one, refer a friend. You have to invite people with your link that you get from this button here. You get 10 cents instantly and a 20% boost on your future earnings. Additionally, from now on, every click that you get on your referral link, even if they do not download the app, will generate you some small coins. Next is the milestones right here. They are connected to your referrals and encourage you to invite more people. Every couple of people you invite give you a specific reward, as you can see here. Moving on to the giveaway. Every single day, we give away $25 to one of our users. We draw a random chance on who to win based on tickets. The more tickets you have, of course, the bigger the chance to win. You get tickets when you invite friends. Let's go to the leaderboards now. The leaderboards is another way for you to earn rewards. Every 24 hours, there is a leaderboard with the people that invited the most friends to the apps. The first 10 places win nice and sweet rewards. And last but not least is the content creation section. You can create a video or a short for the apps promoting them and submit the link of the video right here. We will review it and you will get tons of bonuses for this. Enjoy your time in the apps and don't forget to follow us on our social platforms for exclusive content, latest news, and even more bonuses.
So, yun. Sana may naintindihan. And let's check dito. Meron silang mga hot offers. Ayan. And then, click natin tong withdraw. So, yung minimum pala dito, withdrawal is, ayan. Check natin. Proof of payments as of today. As of today, ito po yung mga nakapag-withdraw via coins. Ang hina lang ng internet ko. So, dito, meron silang pwede nating i-check kung anong country tayo. Click lang, ayan, yung sir. Ayan. Siya. Any country. So, merong PayPal 0.35 yung minimum niya dito para tayo ay makapag-withdraw. Binance, Payer. Pwede din mag-withdraw ng GCash. Ayan, so just watch ka na lang dito and then you can earn.